Hi there, and welcome back to the DuraVent YouTube channel. My name is Dale Menges. I'm a Southwest Regional Sales Manager, and today we're going to talk about installing the spark arrestor inside the chimney cap. Whether you've already got an existing spark arrestor in there or not, this is the way to replace it in the Duratec chimney cap. First, we have to remove the 4 screws that are holding the top of the cap to the bottom of the cap. After removing the 4 screws, we simply lift the top off, take the spark arrestor, drop it down inside the framing, flip the cap back over, and the DuraVent tip today is if you're going up and cleaning or changing the screen in an existing cap, be sure to buy a second screen and bring it with you. So when you take the top apart, you can drop the old screen, clean it while you're at your desk or at your office, and just stick the new clean screen inside the cap. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe to the DuraVent videos, and be sure to come back soon because we'll always have new and fresh information.